The rapid closure of schools due to the coronavirus has taken many families by surprise. For parents, however, this is not an easy arrangement. It has left them confused. From technical challenges to more personal management concerns, there are many questions that parents have about the online learning. It's not easy to convert homes into classrooms. From Zoom classes to Microsoft Teams to even Google Classrooms, all schools have taken help of technology to keep the students engaged and even start the syllabus. And it's really important to help kids stay focused on learning and avoid overuse of games, social media, and videos. This is a stressful, unpredictable time for everyone, including families, parents, and children. You can help your children by providing them with a structure and routine and being a positive force in their education. Educational experts put together these ideal tips for parents so they can confidently ensure a safe internet atmosphere and effective learning for their kids while doing online schooling. Number 1. Digital quarantine. Consider limiting your children's cell phones and tablets until their school work is done satisfactorily so that it can receive their undivided attention. Apps, games, and messaging features are fun, but they can also prove distracting. It may not be an option for everybody, but ideally try to give your kids a dedicated device such as a school laptop for maximum online learning. Number 2. Make space for learning. Your children will achieve their best work in a quiet, comfortable, and dedicated space devoted to learning. Ideally, this will be a different setup than where they normally play games or watch television. Keep in mind that children will be in this space for many hours each day, and parents should watch out for any orthopedic issues that may arise related to comfort and posture. Regardless of age, this should be a space that is easily monitored by a parent or guardian. If your child is easily distracted, set up this area away from windows, televisions, or anything else that will pull him away from his work. Number 3. Monitor the monitor. Observe. Look at your child's eyes to see if they are following along with screen. Check if they are taking notes or zoning out. Ask questions at the end of a lesson. It's important to confirm that your children are indeed learning. If you find that your child is not engaging with the lessons, don't afraid to contact the school or teachers to better explore the issue. Sometimes easily fixed technical problems such as bad audio, poor connection, or an unhelpful camera angle can make all the difference. Number 4. Digital recess. Make sure that your children take plenty of breaks in order to get physical activity and time away from screens. Set alarms similar to those they would encounter at school and encourage them to get up, get some fresh air, and go for a walk or bike ride or have a snack so that they are not sitting for the entire day. Use a whiteboard to outline your children's schedule for the week. Number 6. Keep it old school. Overuse of screen time can also have adverse impact on young brains. So it's essential in these special circumstances to be extra careful when it comes to the littlest ones. As much as possible, parents should encourage print and book reading. If available, request textbooks from your child's school along with other print materials in order to offset the amount of online learning they will be doing. Studies shows that remote education can be challenging for all ages, but especially young kids. So do whatever you can. Stimulate self-expression by having discussions with your children about what they are doing, and also encourage creative writing and imaginative storytelling. Number 7. We are all in this together. Remember that you are not alone in this journey. Check in with other parents to see what they have found effective or to ask if they need help. Share your concerns and useful hints. Number 8. Plan your work and work your plan. Good planning can relieve stress for both children and parents. Check in with your kids about their plans and help them develop a written schedule not only for the day but for the week as a whole. Help them prioritize and learn to create goals, tasks, and deadlines, just like adults do when they go to work. Tasks that may not have been difficult for them while attending school in person can become more challenging when learning from home. So it's important to reinforce boundaries and offer incentives for healthy behaviors. To avoid disruption, some after school activities may be offered via online video applications, FaceTime, or Skype. Number 9, they are not on vacation. Even though staying home from school might feel like a holiday, remind your kid that they are not on vacation. Assignments, grades, requirements, and tests like a state exam and SAT, they aren't going away just because classes have moved online. Number 10, don't forget to have fun. Plan off-screen activities for the whole family. Between school and work obligations, it's rare for parents and children to have this much time together. So turn it into an opportunity for bonding. Write predictions for a TV show that the whole family watches. Organize a tournament, family card games, or chess, or get outside for a hike or walk together after school. Follow your community's guidelines about safety behavior and events, of course, but make sure you still find time for fun with your kids. Without a doubt, this is a challenging time for parents, teachers, and children alike. Studies shows that screen time can have both positive and adverse impact on kids, and the shift to online education will only increase your child's time with their devices. Number 11, filtering and blocking. These features limit access to certain websites, words, or images. The major operating systems like Microsoft Windows, Apple's Mac offer built-in settings that keep children from seeing stuff parents don't want them to see. You can also apply them to certain sites and search engines. Number 12, blocking outgoing content. Setting up features to block outgoing content is a great idea on your smart devices. Not only will it prevent your child from racking up charges for downloading games and movies, but also can keep them from unknowingly or unconsciously sharing personal identifiable information. Number 13, monitoring tools. If you just want to keep an eye on your child's online activities without blocking access altogether, then an app to monitor phone usage is your best bet. Some applications record the addresses of the sites your child has visited, and some even give the ability to monitor text messages received and sent from your child's phone. For example, Q Studio and Norton Family. Number 14, check in on progress. Each week, on a day of your choosing, review your child's progress and grades. Along with your child, go through the checklist of tasks to be completed for the week and determine what is left to be completed. In addition, review your child's grades on recent assignments. If your child is struggling with a particular assignment or in a specific subject area, make a plan to discuss your concerns with your child's teacher.